Public notices have been issued by WCD Department and Health Department of Delhi government. Over what? Well, over two big poll promises that the Aam Aadmi Party has made. Mahila Samman Yojana and Sanjeevani Yojana. This is the departments versus ministries face-off as the Delhi government departments dial public departments and putting the ministers in dock over making tall promises, but no action has been taken on the ground. This is the allegation that is being made. Now, as per the notices that have been issued, they state that these are non-existent schemes and hence such poll promises or tall promises coming up for the elections in the national capital should not be made. This is an embarrassing situation, a foot-in-the-mouth situation for the Aam Aadmi Party government, where the Women and Child Development Department has issued notice. The notice has been put up on your screens, where it states that it has come to the notice of the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of National Capital, through various news channels, print media, that a supposed scheme named Sanjeevani Yojana is being propagated among residents of Delhi, which claims to provide free treatment of people aged above 60 years at all Delhi hospitals, irrespective of income criteria. Further, it has also come to the notice of department and has been evident from media news that a registration drive is underway to get enrolled under the scheme by filling up physical forms, has also been started by some political functionaries and volunteers who are visiting door to door to collect information from elderly citizens and handing over to them some sort of health Sanjeevani scheme card. Further, these purported registration forms are seeking details of senior citizens that include phone numbers, address, Aadhaar and bank account details. Further, due to the various news reports that elderly citizens have started visiting government hospitals and offices to inquire about this scheme, it is informed that the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India of the national capital does not have any such supposed Sanjeevani scheme in existence. Let's listen into how the BJP is also now reacting to this fresh face-off between Aam Aadmi Party government and their ministers. Let's listen in.
अरविंद केजरीवाल क्यों महिलाओं और बुजुर्गों को धोखा दे रहे हैं? ऐसी स्थिति बना दी अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कि आज दिल्ली सरकार के ही स्वास्थ्य एवं महिला कल्याण विभागों को आगे आकर जन चेतावनी जारी करनी पड़ी। आम आदमी पार्टी के ही एक पार्षद का जमीर जागा, रविंद्र सोलंकी पार्षद हैं विकासपुरी से, उन्होंने एक वीडियो जारी किया और कहा कि शर्म आती है कि हमारी सरकार महिलाओं के साथ धोखा कर रही है, बुजुर्गों के साथ धोखा कर रही है। मैं दिल्ली वालों से हाथ जोड़कर अपील करता हूं कि फर्जीवाड़े के शिकार ना हो, अपना पर्सनल डाटा इन लोगों के साथ शेयर ना करें। ये पहला धोखा आपके साथ ये कर रहे हैं कि आपका पर्सनल डाटा बेच देंगे। रविंद्र सोलंकी ने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है कि बिना कोई बैंक डिटेल लिए आप कह रहे हैं कि आपके खाते में पैसे आ जाएंगे। ऐसा कौन सा है? समाज कल्याण विभाग और हेल्थ विभाग दोनों ने नोटिस जारी किया है कि हमारी कोई स्कीम नहीं है। हमारी स्कीम जब भी आएगी वेबसाइट पे आएगी, ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन की आएगी। तो अरविंद केजरीवाल आखिर किस चीज का रजिस्ट्रेशन करा रहे हैं? अरविंद केजरीवाल को जवाब देना होगा कि वो पंजाब के बाद दिल्ली में महिलाओं के साथ फ्रॉड क्यों कर रहे हैं।
Remember, this scheme was launched by Arvind Kejriwal, saying that it will give free healthcare to people over 60 years. My colleague Ishika is also joining me to explain the whole situation and the controversy. Yes, Ishika.
Well, Aditi, it's a rather embarrassing situation for, in fact, the Delhi government and especially for the Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal and Delhi Chief Minister Atashi, because today public notices have been issued by the Women and Child Development Department regarding the Mahila Samman Yojana scheme, and in fact, public notice has also been issued by the Health and Family Welfare Department of the Delhi government against, in fact, the Sanjeevani Yojana scheme. Now, both the departments, in the public notices that they have issued, they have mentioned that these are non-existent schemes at this point of time, not notified by the government, and have also said that the registrations that there are reports of registrations that are happening, that is certainly not happening via the department. The department has also clarified here, both the departments rather, that when it will be officially started, there will be a portal in which the online registration will be done. So certainly, let me also read out the very message that has been put out by both the departments here. They say, the general public of Delhi are hereby advised and requested not to entertain such promise of a non-existent scheme, as these are misleading and without any authority. The general public is also advised to exercise abundant caution to not give out personal details to unauthorized personnel to avoid any fraud or breach of data in the future. So certainly here what we are getting from the public notices that are being issued, department going all out over both of these big Aam Aadmi Party's poll promises that were made. And we did see that just a few days back it was Arvind Kejriwal and also Chief Minister Atishi who went out and started this doorstep registration. So now the department, both the departments coming out and clarifying that there is no registration that has been started from the side of the department. So another chapter rather of bureaucracy versus the government in Delhi, and rather a very embarrassing situation for the Delhi government and the Aam Aadmi Party, and the opposition, that is the BJP, has also started mounting attack on Arvind Kejriwal, saying in fact that what kind of fraud is rather being done then by the Aam Aadmi Party, taking the personal data of the voters in the name of these so-called non-existent schemes. Over to you.
But Ishika, take us, our viewers would like to know how this whole, situation can unravel when the Chief Minister announced the scheme. He said it has been launched, the registration, he and Atishi went to some people and asked them to register. There is a lot of campaign around this, free promises, the poll promises that are being made by the Aam Aadmi Party just ahead of the elections, which are due, before February next year, they will be held. And how can this happen at a time like this?
Well, first we need to take this take this point very seriously, that these two promises that were done by the Aam Aadmi Party and rather announced by the Aam Aadmi Party supremo Arvind Kejriwal himself are certainly going to be the campaign, the flagship campaign of the Aam Aadmi Party in the upcoming election. So it was Arvind Kejriwal who announced that for women voters there is a Mahila Samman Yojana, and he said that this money that he's talking about, 1,000 rupees now and 2,100 after elections, he said that this will only be credited if Aam Aadmi Party comes back to power again. But he also said that the registrations will start, and it will be the Aam Aadmi Party volunteers. He mentioned this as well. He said Aam Aadmi Party volunteers would be starting the registrations of both of these schemes. So certainly, it is an embarrassing situation now. We are still waiting for a response from the Aam Aadmi Party and in fact, the Delhi government. But this situation is certainly going to start the slugfest, because it is the election season and the opposition is going to, mount its attack on Aam Aadmi Party over this coming days. Over to you.
Right. Thank you so much, Ishika, for joining us with those updates.